Imagine you are given a question like this. How would you solve it? It is very easy. Let's solve it together. Now, this question is on solubility. Okay, what is solubility of a salt if 2.0 gram of it is obtained on evaporating 250 cm cube of its saturated solution to dryness? Okay, very easy question. Let's solve it together. Now, you want to see that they gave us mass, and the mass is given to be 2.0 gram, and they give us volume, and the volume is given to be what? 250 cm cube. Okay, now don't forget, solubility can be in two ways. Solubility can be in two ways. In fact, it can be in many ways anyways. But you have to know that it can be gram per dm cube, and it can be mole per dm cube. Okay, so if it is gram per dm cube or mole per dm cube, that means from here I can tell you that the formula for this is easy. I can find it. Now, if it is gram per dm cube, it's just going to be mass over volume, abi? Now, don't forget that the volume here is dm cube, but the volume they give us here is what? Cm cube. That means I must find a way to make sure that this volume is converted to what? dm cube, so that I can use this formula. Now, if it is this, it will be mole over what? Over dm cube, that is volume here. And the volume in this case will also be in what? Dm cube. So if you know this, I can solve this. But I know that you guys have crammed one formula in your textbook, and I'll tell you the formula, but you don't need to cram it. Let's just solve it based on this thing I just explained here. Because, in fact, it can be gram compared to 100 gram of water. You can also, solubility can be in gram per 100 gram of water. When we talk about cm cube, you can convert cm cube to gram. 100 cm cube means 100 gram, actually. So, but just know this. Now, let's use this formula to explain something. Now, I'm coming. So, let's say you, based on this, now that means I can tell you now solubility equals mass, which is 2.0 over, what will be the volume? 250 over what? 1000. Abi? So from here, 250 over 1000 is like saying 2 times 1000 over 250. So 2 times 1000 over 250 means 250 here 1, 250 here 4. That means this is what? This is what? 8 gram per dm cube. Abi now? But the formula you guys crammed is this. You see something like mass times 1000 over volume. Don't cram anything. Now, do you know why they said this? Is that they assume that they will give you the volume to be in cm cube. So if they give you the volume to be in cm cube here, you need this formula. But you don't need to cram this formula. Once you know that the volume here is dm cube in this formula that we said, mass over volume in dm cube, just convert the volume here, convert it to dm cube and substitute here, then you are good to go. So this is the answer to this question. So imagine, let me give you a question and solve it and drop the answer in the comment section. Let's say the gram here is 40 grams and the volume here is, let's say, 2 dm cube. So drop the answer in the comment section. What will you get? Drop it in the comment section. Bye. See you in the next class.